In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make maintenance page in Framer. We'll move through this together so you can quickly create a clear, on-brand maintenance page using Framer's built-in tools. First, open Framer in your browser and sign in if prompted. Once you're in, head to your project's dashboard. Find the project where you want the maintenance page to live and open it. It's a good idea to make sure you're working in the right project so the new page is created in the correct place. On the right side of the editor, look for the Agent panel. This is Framer's helper that can generate layouts and content for you. Click to open it. Inside the panel, choose Ask Framer to bring up the prompt field. This is where you'll tell the agent exactly what you want. Type a clear request like Make Maintenance Page. If you want a more tailored result, you can include helpful context in the same prompt, such as the tone you prefer, your brand colors, a brief message about what's happening, and a general time frame for when you expect to be back. Keep the request straightforward so the agent knows your goal. Press Enter to send the prompt. Framer will begin generating a maintenance page layout and copy. You'll typically see a concise headline, a short explanation, and a call to action or status note. Give it a moment to process. The agent may follow up with a few questions to refine the result. Answer them simply and consistently. Common prompts include your brand name, preferred style, and what you want visitors to know while maintenance is in progress. Aim for clarity, a friendly headline, 1 or 2 sentences explaining the situation, an estimated window if you have one, and any non-sensitive way users can stay informed, like checking your status page or social channels. If you already have a short message written, paste it in when asked. That's it. By the end, you'll have a solid maintenance page generated inside your project, ready for minor tweaks to wording or style so it feels perfectly on brand.